sun's come out today and that little breeze that I've got giving us a lovely sea of green there. Try and get up and over this one. I think blackbird or something. Have a look and see if there's anything in. Let me get that in there. Yeah, we'll check that one. There's a nest up there. Very song thrush like. I'll see if I can get over the top. See if I can see if there's anything inside. That should get it over. We'll see. Just see if I can reach up to this one. It's a stock dove. Oh yeah. Oh, there's an egg in there. Oh, that's good. Yeah, stock dove. One egg. Yeah. This one. It's the nest there. And that's the roof. It's all a little barn type thing. But there he is. Just on this little shelf here, I've got another looks like a stock door, so I'll put this little stick over the top and see if I've got anything in this one. Yeah, that should get anything. If there's anything in there, should get it. Well, in this little stable, I think I've got, looks like a blackbird up there near that meter thing, and it's an old swallow there, but that looks pretty good. That looks pretty new. I've seen no swallows in the area actually, but we'll get it over the top of both and we'll have a look. Right, we'll just get over this blackbirds first. I should see anything in there, I would imagine. And then let's get over this one. This looks pretty good. Right. what I'm going to do is just check back in on the blackbirds. This is a little one in the holly. I think it had 4 chicks in. We'll have a look in there now, see what's going on. Oh, chicks are coming on great in there. Yeah, that's them in there now. Excellent. Let's go and check that song thrush nest that was built up. Right, up and over the song thrush. See how many. See what that's got in there now. Yeah, see what the song thrush from a week ago, it's got in there now. See that in there. Just the last look at the communal house martins, 2 nests going in there. That's the one that will have eggs now, across that way. And that is a wren dominated one. Yeah, putting 2 nests in there, one there, there's one there. Superb little constructions. I wonder how long it takes them to erect that nest.